Okay, good morning guys. Mga idol. Okay, for today's video, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-swim sa freestyle. Okay? Unang-una, kailangan mo mag-bubbles muna. Kailangan alam mo how to inhale on the water. Okay, sabi? You need to breathe in and breathe out. Okay? Breathe out on your nose underwater and breathe in outside the water. Okay, and now, kailangan matuto ka muna how to float. Okay? Dalawa lang ang floating na tinuturo ko sa swimming. It's the shoulder float and front float. Okay, the first one is the front float, shoulder float. Okay, and this, hold your breath up to 5 seconds. Kailangan hawakan mo yung legs mo and you hold your breath. Okay, now on the second try, 10 seconds. Okay. And kapag kaya mo na mag-total float, ngayon naman gagawin natin is a front float. From total float, you turn into front float. You just straight your arms and your legs backward. Gagamitin natin yun para sa push-up. Five seconds, you press try. Ang second try mo, dapat magawa mo in 10 seconds. Yes? And the next one is the push-up, the streamlining. Okay? Talikod ka sa wall, do total float, and straight your arms forward and your feet backward. So you will still hit the wall. One more. So yun lang yung kailangan natin na floating para sa freestyle. Okay? Para sa streamline. Huwag na kayong gagawa ng iba pang floating. Okay, front float lang and total float. So yung total float kasi para mag-ready ka para sa push-up. Okay, para sa streamlining. Okay, now, after the streamlining, gagawin naman natin is flutter kick. Okay, the flutter kick is to kick your feet up and down. Okay, just like this. Okay, you hold onto the gutter and put your elbow against the wall. So you can up your body and you can kick properly. And now, from the push-up, streamlining, you incorporate the flutter kick. Again. One. Okay, kapag nagawa mo nun, kapag komportable ka na sa flutter kick, okay, you can paddle na your arm. You can practice the arm pulling or arm crawl. Okay, you just straight your arms on the water and pull your arms straight down, up, straight, and back on your head. At kapag nabalik mo yung hands mo doon, you pull the other head straight down and up, straight. Like that. Straight. Straight. Okay, so dapat hindi dapat magbe-bend yung elbow mo when you paddling your arm, when you pulling the water. Okay, now you incorporate the flutter kick and arm pull. That is called freestyle. Okay, that is basic freestyle. Okay, without breathing. Okay, now, tuturo ko naman kung paano huminga while you're doing the freestyle. Okay, the first one, you hold your arms straight, bubbles, 1, 2, 3. Then you turn your head and take a breath. Like that. Look. Another one. Okay, you keep your face, the half of your face on the water and the half is outside the water. And one eye is on the water. Okay, look. Okay? Okay, yan. Kompleto na yung freestyle mo. So, yung master mo lang yan. Kailangan mo na pag-aralan na paulit-ulit. Okay, thank you for watching.